you went to a 5-star hotel and you were served this meal, I bet you're going to finish it. You're going to enjoy it. Seriously. This is Blessing Anyam here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you very much for stopping by. I'm going to show you how I prepared this classical delicacy. Sit back and enjoy. Okay guys, so the first thing we'll do is to add some oil, cooking oil, into a pan. I want to kind of fry the shrimps. This is cooked shrimps already, that according to the label is cooked, but I just want to fry it and put my own spices in it. So I added curry, thyme, salt and pepper in the mix. So if you want to always cook something versatile for your family, you have to be creative about cooking. Just think of something out of the box, prepare it, and your family will love you for your versatility. So this is plantain. I'm going to boil it. I'm using this steaming pot. Just chop it in medium-sized chunks. Put some water at the base of the pot. Put the plantain on the rack. Sprinkle some salt on it. And we'll let it boil for about 30 minutes. Yeah, if you don't like boiled plantain, you can roast it in the oven or grill it. So I had this stew in my freezer and I just got it out. This is just blended tomatoes with onions. So I'm just trying to defrost it. I felt that using the microwave might take some time, so I'm kind of trying to defrost it. And then I'll be adding some eggs to it. And then you see how I'm going to make this sauce. I'll be using egg and spinach. And it was delicious. Like, take it from me, it was really delicious. So this is my raw egg. Just, whisk it properly. Add it into the tomato sauce and allow it to cook. So right now I'll be adding the spinach. This is spinach washed and chopped into these small bits. So I'll just add it and let it steam together. I'm telling you, this sauce is very delicious. Very, very delicious. It's not your regular egg sauce. It is delicious. The food is ready. Guys, please just rate this food. Just rate this food. Tell me how you love the presentation, how you love it. And I'm telling you, the taste was amazing. Alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. And I hope you're going to try this recipe. If you've not eaten plantains before or eaten it this way, try it and come back with your testimony. Alright, if you've watched up to this time and you're not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.